With the trunk open, you will find access panels on each side of the rear trunk behind the taillight assemblies. Open the access panel by slipping the panel away from the rear trim and pivoting it towards the middle of the trunk, yellow arrows. You can now see the electrical connector at the base of the housing, red arrow. Remove the connector by squeezing in on the side, yellow arrows, and pulling it straight back. There are 4 8mm speed nuts, yellow arrows, 2 shown, holding the assembly to the body, 3 at the rear and 1 on the rear quarter panel. Remove these and be careful you don't drop them down into the body cavity. With the retaining nuts removed, you can simply lift the assembly from the car. This photo illustrates the location of the 4 retaining studs, red arrows. On the rear of the assembly is a plastic face that houses the bulbs. Turn the plastic lever from the closed, yellow arrow to the open, green arrow, and then pull the face from the housing. With it out of the housing, you will be able to see the 4 different bulbs along with the electrical connections. Check any of these for corrosion or damage. The bulbs are simple push-turn connections. Remember, when installing new bulbs, do not contact the bulb with any bare skin. The oils on your skin can cause a hot spot and diminish the life of the bulb. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.